After installing the app, instantly start the phone DSLR tour. Tap the camera button to autofocus. Press the camera button deeply to record every passing moment. Tap the video button to start and end recording. Double tap the video button to switch the front camera. Toggle the focus thumb wheel, default adjustment focus. Tap the gimbal size FZ button to switch the zoom wheel function for adjusting the focus. Tap the album button to enter the album interference. To switch photo, video menus by adjusting the thumb wheel. Adjust the selected file by moving the joystick. Tap OK to view the file. Tap DISP button to view photo information. Tap back button to return.